Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the SSD and enclosure compatibility. This prevents wasted time and potential damage. Open the enclosure, mount the drive securely, and attach any thermal pad for NVMe to manage heat. Once done, connect to your computer via the fastest available port, ideally USB-C or a Gen 2 port, to maximize throughput. Make sure the OS recognizes the device in Disk Utility or Disk Management. If not, reset the connections and retry. You now prepare the SSD logically. Partition and format it to match your use case. In Disk Management or Disk Utility, select GPT for modern machines and create partitions sized for backups, media, or apps. Format with XFAT for cross-platform use. Choose NTFS if you only need Windows and want features like compression. Once formatted, label the volume clearly and enable trim if supported to maintain performance. Make sure to test read/write speeds with a quick transfer. You finish by configuring maintenance and safety. Enable trim, schedule backups, and check Smart Health periodically to catch issues early. Once everything is set, test workflows, copy a representative file set, and verify file integrity. If the drive disappears or is slow, reboot, swap the cable or port, and check for enclosure firmware updates. These steps resolve most problems. One key troubleshooting tip: if the SSD isn't detected at all, try it inside a desktop or another enclosure to isolate whether the drive or enclosure is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.